Let's take it straight to an NDTV exclusive, and sources say that India-US landmark deal may be announced as soon as next week. Let's get in my colleague Akhilesh Sharma to tell us more about that. Welcome to the show, Akhilesh. Tell us, what are you gathering from your sources? This is the most watched out for deal that the entire market is watching out for, Akhilesh.
That's correct. In fact, everybody is waiting for the details of the agreement to be come out in open. And what the sources are indicating that by next week, probably early next week, a U.S. team may land in India and may have final discussions with the team, with the Commerce Ministry. And after that, a joint agreement may be signed between India and the United States as far as the trade deal is concerned. And the sources are also indicating that the concerns expressed on the issue of agriculture, dairy and fisheries will be addressed completely, because so far India has signed various trade deals with countries like Switzerland, UK and Australia, New Zealand, and also with the EU. And in all these deals, the interests of the farmers have been protected. There's no mention of the dairy products at all in all these trade deals. So similarly, in the US trade deal also, the interests of the farmers will be protected.
That's right, Akhilesh. That is an important bit, and that was, remember, with EU trade also, agriculture and the interests of the farmers were very well protected by the Indian government, and that was one of the points which was a standoff between the governments as well. All right, Akhilesh, thanks so much for all the information. This is most watched out for. As we say goodbye on Markets at 12, a quick programming note. Global recalibration is underway as economic frontiers really shift, placing India at the forefront of a new world order. As the nation prepares its next strategic move, NDTV Profit Conclave brings together policymakers and corporate leaders for dialogues that shape India's growth. Tune in to NDTV Profit on Saturday, February 7th to watch the policymakers and leaders decoding the policy shift and outlining how India will chart its economic future. Goodbye.
As tariffs rewrite trade, and India's New Deal and the US redefine global alignments, a powerful shake-up is reshaping the global economy. What is India's next strategic move? Join Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman and leading global voices as they decode this new economic reality at the NDTV Profit Conclave, making sense of the new world order. India, the real deal. 7 February, New Delhi, only on NDTV Profit.